Hey everyone, I wanted to make a quick video talking about, woodworking spaces. So, there's tons and tons of videos out there about, what beginner tools you want, what you don't want, on all different devices, but I really haven't seen any talking about actual workspaces. So I wanted to show you what I'm personally doing, so that way you don't think you need to have some nice big shed or a garage or anything like that. This is actually what I'm going to be converting into my workshop. It's nothing fancy. It's enclosed porch that's attached to my house that we don't use here. There's, you know, pretty high ceiling. There is some cleaning I got to do in here. Obviously, kind of used as a storage for stuff that I put on my vehicle. I do have some wood sitting in here that I'm starting to dry that I got for free. Guy had cut down a sassafras tree near me, and he was giving away for free. So I picked up some. I actually have some more sitting outside. I got to bring in as well, and obviously some saws that I picked up for real cheap around here. And I'll talk about that kind of stuff in a later video. So, as you can see, it's not huge. It's not glamorous. It's not like the nice big workshops you see on YouTube where people are going on and on or show off all the tools they have, these great setups they have. It's literally probably a 12-foot by 10-foot room. I do have a light up there that I just got to make sure the bulb is working and stuff. What I'm going to do is I'm going to end up cleaning this all out, sweeping it up. I'm going to leave the wood in here to dry. This table I'm actually going to is a woodworking project because it was built in the 1800s. I want to restore it. I don't want to mess it up. Obviously, with that seeing the leg, it definitely needs some TLC. So, but like I said, you don't need anything big and fancy. You don't need to either go run out of place or go and buy some kind of prefab shed or anything like that. Just find a space that is going to be big enough for what you want to do, whether it's furniture making, whether it's doing small handcrafts, restoring tools, whatever the case may be. So that's just my piece of advice. Any place that you have available to you that you can store your tools so they're not weathered, which I need to take my saws inside once I've cleaned them up, and that you don't mind getting a little bit dirty. I mean, you're going to have wood chips, you're going to have sawdust, so you just need to be cognizant of what you're going to have mess-wise and what area you don't mind getting that dirty. I mean, for the past few nights, after I sharpened my axe in that one video, just testing out, I have a piece of sassafras that I'm actually whittling down because I'm going to be taking a planing video, or I'm going to be taking a planing class, sorry, and I need something that I can work on. So I've actually been working down this piece of sassafras and drying in my house, which is nice and hot and dry, to help process a little bit, and I'll have that ready for the class that I'm taking. So yeah, it's just anywhere you want to have a shop, just take the time to turn it into what you want. So hope this helps. Let me know what you guys think.